1,000 degrees saw like motherfuckers. Alright, hello everybody. I'm here in Tampere together with Lauri and Anni from Hydraulic Press channel. Everybody knows this thing, this 1,000 degree knife. We want to make it a little bigger, maybe even a little better. That's why we're gonna do a 1,000 degree chainsaw.
Yeah, so we are going to put this on, then heat it up, and then from safety of the forklift lower the thing on this poor watermelon.
But Lauri, so what do you think is gonna happen?
I give 50% chance that we can actually heat it so hot that it's red hot and it still pins. 25% is just going to stop and 25% is explosion.
Today we're gonna 1,000 degrees saw like motherfuckers. I was so nervous that the chain's gonna break.
Me too.
And which way it's gonna fly. Can you hear the sound? Look at that. It is really, really hot. So you can cut the watermelon and cook it at the same time. So it's brilliant.
I think this would be a great way to like cut steaks out of big clump of the meat.
That's true, because you don't want to cook the meat too much, so you get perfect slices every time. Ready, ready. So next thing we're gonna cut is a soda bottle. I think the bottle broke before it actually saw it.
Yeah, I think I'm going to lift it up before we get some kind of electric problem.
Oh yeah, it is an electric chainsaw. Next, we're gonna cut this little piece of a diamond that we found from Lauri's backyard. Normally chainsaw couldn't cut the diamonds, but if you heat it up to 1,000 degrees, you should be able to, right?
Yeah, the diamond will just like burn away.
It looks like a piece of art. Some Japanese collector could pay $20 million for this, but instead of selling it to them, we're gonna cut it.
It's still hot.
But the crazy thing was that our chainsaw started to burn. Look at that.
I'm not sure if that's completely crazy because
Yeah, 1,000 degrees, it should burn. So next thing we're gonna cut is the shaving foam can. Yeah, it says that you shouldn't expose this to over than 50 degrees in Celsius. So
but
50 degrees.
Let's measure in Fahrenheit, so then we have no problem.
And like always, you couldn't do this without duct tape. How do you think it's gonna hold? I have to say that the result looks like my date night. It's all over the face. I'm in place.
Very fresh smell.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if the chainsaw works anymore.
I think you can bring it back to the store and say that you have problem with it and you are not not completely pleased with it.
I'm not satisfied
Yeah.
with this
product.
I would like to return it. Get my money back. Yeah, so this is something that no one has tried before. We're gonna have a liquid nitrogen deep fried pineapple on fire against the 1000-degree chainsaw challenge.
Let's start the chainsaw.
God damn, the pineapple was tough.
Yeah, the toughest thing here.
Yeah, the chainsaw almost couldn't cut it, even though it was 1000 degrees. So just to deal with the rest of the pineapple, we're gonna smash it with sledgehammer. And Jukka, this is for you. I miss you. Okay, we ready?
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh. Alright, hey, but guys, thank you for watching. Lauri, Hanni, thank you for having me here and, you know, doing this with me. Go check out their sites, the Hydraulic Press channel and Beyond Press.
Yeah.
And there's a lot of cool stuff. So
And stupid stuff.
and stupid.
Mostly stupid.
Today we have hydraulic press lemon smoothie challenge.